Yo, what is up, you guys? Welcome back to another market recap. That's how we did today. Perform on the SPY. We took two positions, both the winners. I'm gonna go ahead and explain my analysis on both of these trades and why I put risk on to begin with. First things first, we check for news. We had Powell speaking at market open and PMI Jones job opening at 10 o'clock Eastern. Correct. So here's Powell speaking 9:30, and here's data release at 10 o'clock. Coming into the day, I'm still expecting everything to be normal. I marked out the London high, London low here. Correct. And I also marked out these all-time highs back here that I did feel we were gonna push forward today, or at least sometime this week. We got close to it here, but no cookie. Anyways, we get market open, and price displaces to the upside and creates the first presented fair value gap here. I marked that out, and when price came back to the consequent encroachment of that first presented fair value gap, I decided to enter, targeting the London high back here, since it was a bullish displacement. So I was expecting a continuation there, and luckily this hit before data release, so I was out of my position before that 10 o'clock candle for data. But we got 10 o'clock here, right? Here, let me remove this line so you guys can see it. And we get a creation of these data highs and data lows from that PMI data release, right? I noticed price came down, swept these data lows here, and started displacing to the upside. So I saw that, and I was confident that price was going to go take out these all-time highs here before it reversed. However, as you can see, price ended up, I guess it took out the Asia high. Not quite, but ended up inversing here, right? And price came back up into this inversion fair value gap there, filled it before taking out opposing draw of liquidity, being the London low down here. So I saw that, and price came down, finally took out this London low, and completely inversed this move here, right? So I told myself, if price was respecting this London low back here, we should get a retracement into another inverse fair value gap, and then continue to the upside to a draw of liquidity, which I had as this AM high back here. So it looks better on the 3-minute, right? Price comes down, swept the London low, and then inversed. So now I'm just waiting for retracement and a reaction before looking for an entry. Price finally retraces here, very deep into this fair valuation, and then we start getting a little rejection here. I was hesitant solely because we had this previous session low as well as this new week opening gap back here that could have easily been a draw liquidity, but it wasn't until here that I decided to enter, stop at this low, targeting that draw liquidity up here. And yeah, once I hit this AM high, I decided to take my profits and leave it at that. And at this point, price was ripping. I was like, okay, it's for sure gonna go take out all-time highs, right? But again, close, no cookie. But yeah, that's how we did today. It's funny because I was looking at NQ at some time during the day, and it was completely different charts, right? Like this was just dumping all AM session. I guess it did dump here too, but it looks way more aggressive on the Nasdaq. But that doesn't matter to me. Yeah, good read nonetheless. We don't have anything crazy going on. Oh yeah, we do have non-farm Thursday, so we'll just work on surviving this week. Taking good trades, taking good setups, that's all that matters. But anyways, thank you guys for watching. Like always, stay safe out there, stay disciplined, practice good habits, and learn from your mistakes. I'll see you guys tomorrow. If I take a trade, if not, I won't. Take care.